What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Garage Project. We are still working on the Monsterservice Stage 2 10-piece IS300 wide body kit. Today we are going to be working on finishing up the passenger side rear. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the video series with doing this. I hope you guys have had a chance to check out some of my other videos as well. Obviously kind of have a different a style or a different approach when it comes to some of these videos I'm doing the documentary / interview style car features and shop tours or shop reviews, shop spotlights, whatever you want to call them, and then doing the technical overviews and having you guys along with me as I'm working on stuff. So hopefully that's entertaining stuff to you guys. If it is and you're checking out the videos, please subscribe. Please pass the word along to your fellow car people or car friends. You know, I'd really like obviously more people to be able to check out the videos, hopefully learn some stuff from me. I really enjoy interacting with you guys in the comments. I try to get back to you guys as soon as possible. I appreciate all you guys that have taken the time out of your days. I know there's a lot of things you could be doing with your time. But I really appreciate you taking the time to watch some of these videos, leave me great comments. So far, I've had nothing but really positive reviews on everything, and I really appreciate that. So that just kind of goes to show that we as car people, no matter what we're into, what we like, you know, support each other in what we do with our vehicles and getting this type of content out there. I think it's really awesome. It took a lot for me to start to do this. I was nervous about putting myself out there and filming things and, you know, was it going to look right and, you know, were people going to like it? I'm a tad bit of a perfectionist, and so it takes me a while to edit some of these videos sometimes. I'm trying to be better about that. I'm trying to be more focused on the content of what I'm doing and what I'm hopefully teaching and showing you guys versus necessarily the video quality, but I've been getting great feedback on the quality of the videos and the sound and that type of stuff too. So keep the great comments coming. I really appreciate you guys subscribing and checking out the videos. Like I said, pass the word along to your other car friends, and hopefully I'll be able to continue making great videos for you guys. Let's get working on the taxi.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been fighting ways to get away, to see you again.
Alright guys, so here is pretty much the completely mounted and fitted passenger side. So all mounts up nice and flush. I mean, the fitment on these is absolutely perfect. As you can see, the cut for the door, I mean, just awesome. It took me a little bit to make sure I was getting the right or the same as the factory gap going down on the door, you know, right here, just to make sure this all looks uniform. I think I did a pretty good job of getting it really close. You know, it's always hard with body panels and stuff like this that are aftermarket. They you know, even high quality ones like these, you know, they take a little bit of finesse and mounting them, you know, tweaking some things to get it just looking perfect. But I think this has gone really well. As you can see, I mean, it looks great with the arch and everything. Really good. So I'm really excited. I'm going to try to bring this down a little bit. I'm going to try to lower the rear. Probably going to bring the rear down about an inch, maybe the front down about 3/4 of an inch. Try to level it out a little bit better. It's got a little bit of a front rake right now, which the factory IS has, so it doesn't bother me too much, but I want to try to get a little more level. Just in case you guys are curious about fitment, this is a 17 by 10 inch plus 18 offset wheel. The flares in the front are plus 40 millimeters. Now, obviously, like I said, I do have quite a bit of front camber, as you can see. I believe it's almost 4 degrees. So once the camber comes back out a little bit and we lower the car back down, I think this fitment's going to be absolutely perfect. But you can see, I mean, we've got some pretty good clearance up in here with these fenders, so I think it's going to be really good. And the rears are 50 millimeters. I currently have a 25 millimeter spacer in the rear. So just keep in mind, again, these are the same wheel specs, 17 by 10 plus 18 in the rear. Obviously, we've got to put the door trim back on, and of course get the fenders painted. I'm also going to work on removing some of the stickers. I don't know, thinking I might change it up. Obviously we're taking the clenched sticker off because the car no longer has clenched body components on it. On the door here, thinking about doing a similar design, probably in bronze, maybe black, I don't know. The black and yellow and green theme, I like it, but I'm not a huge fan of like black and yellow. I really like a dark bronze. I've actually even been thinking about, don't tell my wife this, but I've been thinking about powder coating the wheels dark bronze as well. Enki offers this wheel in a dark bronze. However, they do not offer it in the 17 by 10. They offer it in the 17 by 9.5. I'm not sure why that is, but I originally wanted the dark bronze color. I like the silver too. I think it's a classic looking wheel color, especially the inky silver is just really great. So I might powder coat the wheels bronze and then do a matching bronze graphic that's similar down the door, kind of reminiscent of the Porsche style lower third type of graphic they do on the door. But instead of where it says clenched, I think we're actually going to do one that says Garage Project, and so we'll probably experiment with that. The cool thing is my brother does stickers as kind of a little side job for him. He does stickers and door lettering and window lettering for businesses and things like that. He actually made me these clenched stickers and my number stickers. He made the Garage Project banner for me for the windshield. He's done some great stuff for me, so we'll probably use him as usual and do a different sticker setup on the side. But yeah, so that's kind of the way it looks. I'm gonna get to removing the stickers probably right now.
And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been finding ways to get away, to see you again.
So here's the taxi, all clean shaven. No more stickers or anything on the side. It's weird. I haven't seen this car for a really long time without stickers on it. At least on the side. I'm keeping the Garage Project banner on the front. I think I might change the font up a little bit closer to what I do in the videos, kind of that cursive. I like the way that looks. And of course, got to keep my Build Rad Stuff sticker on here. Build Rad Stuff is an awesome shop owned by a really good friend of mine, Mark, that we're hopefully going to be doing a shop feature on here pretty soon. So be on the lookout for that. But yeah, really weird Really weird to see this car mostly yellow again. It's funny because I just did the one side, so the other side still looks how it did. Maybe I'll leave this side like this and leave the other side, and then, no, that's dumb, never mind. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Getting the passenger side of the car all done and mocked up with the Monsterservice wide body kit. Hopefully there was enough information in there for you guys about the width of the fenders and the width of the wheels and my fitment and all that kind of stuff. I get a lot of great questions from you guys asking about the wheel fitment, the offset, all those sorts of things. So hopefully there was enough detail in there for you on that. If there wasn't, or there's something else you have a specific question on, obviously please feel free to comment, ask me questions. So my neighbor Jeff stopped by earlier, brought over his S2000 for me to take a look at, which is really, really nice car. Got a full J's Racing body kit on it with, I think he said 30 millimeter widened front fenders and the J's Racing front bumper, J's Racing side skirts, and the J's Racing rear bumper. It's got a Mugen style hardtop on it, which is really cool. It's got AP Racing brakes, it's got Advan wheels, Hankook Ventus tires, Tane coilovers, Comptech intake. Just a really well-built car, really clean, really simple, very nice car. We're gonna possibly do a feature on his car, hopefully here in the near future. He's also got a WRX that he's kind of does some work on, but that's more of his daily driver. So we'll see, we might do something with that as well. Super nice guy. I didn't really do a lot with him on camera because I wasn't sure if he'd want to be on camera or not, but I did do a video walk around of his car real quick so you guys could take a look at it.
$3 grand for a carbon sleeve on hood, and this is like $700.
Yeah, it's insane how expensive some of those parts are. Like, I'm all about like spending money on functioning mechanical parts like engine components and turbos and stuff like that. I'm all about spending money on the legit parts, but like my front lip on that is a Greddy replica. I couldn't justify the price difference, like you said. Exactly.
I mean, yeah, stuff like wheels, I want authentic wheels because I don't want failure.
Right.
The brakes, so that's really important to get a good company.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, mechanical stuff, but cosmetics, like, if it does the job, whatever.
Yeah, exactly. So that's my neighbor Jeff's S2000. Look for a video feature on his car here in the near future. So that's gonna wrap up this video, guys. I appreciate you guys taking time out of your day to check it out. Leave comments. I try to get back with you guys as soon as I can. Check out the Instagram page, @_garage_project_ and also @Turbo Lexus. So check those out, leave some comments, let me know what you guys are thinking. Thanks guys, take it easy.
We got millions of reasons to let it all go. Hope we're not too broken.